Okay, so Keaton Brown requested to start up my friend's Marine Corsair series from 2006. Actually, you know what? This is actually a Weatherking the whole entire time. Because when they installed this, they put a Marine Corsair series behind this. This is actually a Weatherking. So, all this time, this was a Weatherking. So, and I actually thought it was a Marine Corsair series. It's like the one where I filmed the F-Con unit, but I thought it was a York at first, but under the nameplate, it was an F-Con. So, yeah, and it was in the other condo complex in my neighborhood, so yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this one on. I'm gonna set the camera by the compressor. Also, Keaton Brown requested this. So, yep. Also, this is a 2.5 ton. Is it a 2.5? Yeah, that's a 2.5 ton from the 21st week of 2006. And I'm gonna set the camera right here. So, yeah. Startup out of this year, and well, it has not been running all day actually. I don't know when soon it might be replaced, but they're not pretty sure. Yeah, that's cold, really cold right there. And well, it's not even sweating, but that's cold. That's hot right there. Oof. Look at the other neighbors' units. This neighborhood was originally Weatherking units. We're actually Marine Corsairs. You know what? They're actually big Weatherkings at first. That's pretty weird if they put the Marine Corsair under Weatherking logo. There's another Marine Corsair right over there. I'm not sure when is he gonna get his air conditioner replaced already, because it doesn't really cool down the house really well. I guess over and out.